Okay, so I made a previous video on how to create a temporary instant Scratchpad. So you just create a Scratchpad, you put anything you want in there, any window or application, and you've got an instant Scratchpad that you can use while your PC is on. When you reboot, it obviously will kill it. So let me just quickly show you. So mine is already active. So if I press Super and L, that's my key binding. It dims the screen. Now my special workspace is activated. So now I can just put anything in there, like a file browser, file manager. And if I press it again, I can take it out. Let's put something. Let's put a terminal kitty on the normal workspace and then bring mine in so you can see it's an instant Scratchpad. I can actually put other stuff in here as well, like that. And it stays a Scratchpad. Special workspace. Click on all of that. So let me show you all you have to do. So in my previous video, it was a bit convoluted and there's Windows rules, and I hate Windows rules because they're always a bit buggy. So the only thing you have to do is put one key binding in there to create the special workspace and to toggle it. And that is it. Let me just make this bigger. So bind, mainMod or super. No, it's this one. Let me just take that away because that was not necessary. So bind mainMod L, and then this toggle special workspace. This will actually create special workspace, and I call it magic. You can call it anything. That's your specific name for the special workspace. So this will create it, and you can toggle it in and out by pressing Super and L. Well, just Super and L. So that's basically that. But if you want some padding, let me just, as you can see here, I've got some gaps here. I don't want it full screen. So you can make it smaller or bigger, your Scratchpad. So I get a bit confused with my own key bindings here. Where is my settings now? There. Right, so all you have to do is, okay, so after you've created the key binding, the special workspace, you can just put this thing here, this setting. So workspace equals special magic. That magic is my special workspace name. And then gaps out. I made mine 100 on all sides. You can make it any number there, 10, 500, whatever, smaller, bigger, and so on. So that's the quickest way to create an instant temporary Scratchpad. So yeah, that is it. So like and subscribe if you like this, and I'll see you later. Good.